Well, good morning everybody and welcome back to the channel. Seems we're off to the races today. Well, good morning everybody and welcome back to the channel. I hope you are all doing very well today. This is just a quick MotoVlog update. I am on my way to visit my friend, and we're cooperating on this project that I said I was doing. I've got a consultancy assignment that I'm working on. I've done the first week now. I have invoiced the client. Hooray! Money should be coming in. I've had very positive feedback about what I've delivered so far, so fingers crossed. So far so good. And also, as an update, the channel's been growing. I've gone past 150 subscribers. In fact, last time I checked, I was one off 160 subscribers. I think this guy wants to filter right down the middle. I don't know what his issue is. Where do you think you're gonna go, mate? Anyway, what's been happening? So this weekend was very interesting. I went on my local IAM groups, organized observer training. Well, it's supposed to be a weekend. It normally is a weekend where the observers and the training go for a weekend away. But obviously this year, because of social distancing restrictions and the pandemic, we just went for a day, and we're gonna have a Zoom session for the debrief. Well, why don't you go through a red light as well? Wonderful. Shall we send that to the Rosses? I don't know. I think so. Sure, nobody over there is running a red light. So as I said, went for a day out with two national observers, and we did a little bit of role playing, talking about what's involved with becoming an observer, what sort of skills you need. I did a demo ride for them because I think they wanted to evaluate where my riding currently is. I think they've been watching some of my videos, and they were a little bit worried about my riding. But you know, I have talked about that and I am trying to improve, so let's see what we can do. Here we go. Can I come through, please? Could you make some room, sir? Nice, very nice. Thank you very much. That was really nice, thank you. But you know, technique wise, I think that's not going to be the issue. Well, apart from some of my low speed riding, I think I'm fairly critical myself of what I'm doing. Thank you very much. I'm fairly critical of how I'm doing with that. Had a bit of a wobble again. Oh yeah, go, why not? Sorry, concentrating on not getting killed. Yes, I had a couple of wobbles on junction work again. Noob's wobble worries have come back. Well, I guess it's back to doing circles and figures of 8 in a car park for me. But interestingly, I think the majority of the learning I'm going to be doing is going to be around people skills, about listening skills, finding out what associates actually want to do and want to achieve, and finding out about them and all that sort of stuff. Which, yeah, I think are welcome, and I think it's going to be very interesting. So let's see how we do with that. I'm really looking forward now to doing some more observing. I'm finding it really interesting. Let's try not to get the London too much into my riding again. Oh, there you are again. I don't particularly want to be in front of you because you're a bit of an idiot. There he goes again. Jesus. No wonder his car is all bashed up. Off you go, mate. I want you as far away from me as possible. Alright, this is why it's kind of hard to do a video log in London whilst commuting. You just have to pay so much attention to so much stuff. Interesting. Well, that was it mostly. I just wanted to let you guys know what's going on. I did have my helmet cam on for the Observer training weekend, but well, Observer training day really. But I didn't ask for permission to use the footage, so I don't think there will be a video specifically coming out about that, because it was pretty much just us doing a lot of chatting and doing a little bit of riding and briefing and debriefing. So I don't think that will be particularly interest to the rest of you. Go on, get off my chuff. You're gonna get to the back of that queue real quick. Always an Audi. But with the channel doing as it is at nearly 160 subscribers, I also wanted to give some shout outs to other motovloggers and channels that I make a point of watching and make a point of learning from and make a point of commenting on their videos, because I think they're doing some fantastic work. Just this morning, in fact, Epic Adam MotoVlogs released a new one celebrating his first year of a full bike license. So congratulations, Adam, well done. In 1 year, and you've done some fantastic vlogging. I have I've had poor attempts at copying some of what you do. I think that's the best kind of praise one can give. I think, yeah, keep up the good work, my man. And here's to many more years of you biking. And that Bandit's looking really good. Another one that I watch, I make a point and make sure that I watch every single video that comes out, because I think he's also doing some fantastic motovlogging and some really great projects and collaborations. Is Western Super MotoVlogs. And Phil, I also hear through the grapevine that you're not just a good motovlogger, but you're also an excellent character and human being. I think you've sorted out or helped Grizz with his job situation of 6 gear motorcycles, which is another channel I'm watching quite a lot as well. So congratulations. And well done on being such a stand-up person. Somebody else who's given me great advice and helped me out and given me some criticism on my sound setup, and I've bounced ideas off in terms of cameras, and he does give some fantastic advice about 360 cameras and angles and all that kind of stuff. It's Mr. Hippo-Drones. So thank you, sir. Some guys I haven't heard of for a while, but you know, kind of helped me, inspired me to join some challenges and do some stuff. The guys at Dodgem Squad, where are you guys? What's been going on? What's happened? I haven't seen a video from you in a while. another channel that I really enjoy watching and following their capers is Gasto and Lane. Well done on getting better, Gasto. You guys now have 2 identical bikes and you ride around in identical red jumpers, sweatshirts. Oh, is that Gasto or Lane? Nah, too fat. How am I going to tell you guys apart in your videos? It's going to be really difficult. But yeah, a couple of very nice looking and sounding bikes. And then these aren't really shout outs, these are just, I'm going to brag a little bit now, because in my short motovlogging career I've had 2 people that I have been following for ages and ages and have got massive channels come and watch and comment on one of my videos. First of all, Lamp Chop Rides commented on one of my videos, and it was a nice comment too, so thank you, sir. And then just this last week, Russ from Roadcraft Nottingham also watched and commented on one of my videos, the last one, the 360 video, because I saw he did a really short one. I think he called it an accidental release, and he was asking for some advice, so I said, look, this is the one I've done. And he watched it and he seemed to enjoy it, so I'm well chuffed. It's nice when people who you kind of follow and admire pay you a compliment by watching something that you've done and saying something nice about it. So thank you guys. Anyway, let me get stuck into this again. God, I nearly got wiped out the other day because I was joining from over there and this van came herring down, and saw in my rearview mirror. I thought I was a goner, and then you swerved at the last minute to avoid me. So now I'm extra cautious. It was best to join the filtering rather than stay hanging out in the chevron area. That wasn't a good move by me, so I should have done better. And hopefully I've now learned from my mistake. Thank you. So yeah guys, that was it. That was just my my brief update, and all the best to you. I hope everything keeps on going well, and I will catch you in the next one. Take care. Oh, before I forget, don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment and subscribe. Thank you. How can you be in full control of your car if you're holding a cup of coffee in one hand?